So a few pods ago, we talked about UFO actors who were in the running to be James Bond.
Oh, yes, we did.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
Who was it who was repeatedly auditioned? I want to say Michael Billington, but maybe it wasn't
Yes,
Michael.
I think
Was it
Michael
Michael
Billington
Billington?
was one of them.
I seem to remember saying Michael Billington repeatedly.
Yeah.
Anyway, this is not about actors, but instead about sets.
Okay.
A very famous Gerry Anson episode was actually filmed on the set from a James Bond film.
Get away.
Yeah.
Really?
So, again, this is weird, because you know how we say sometimes that the randomizer echoes something we talked about earlier on?
That's right.
Well, I've just mentioned Dragon's Domain, and quite randomly, this relates to Dragon's Domain.
Oh, yeah.
So, Commissioner Dixon's office is actually a redressed version of M's office from the Bond films.
Is it now?
Yeah. So Space 1999 and the Bond films, again, as you will know, Richard, were both shot at Pinewood Studios. Mm-hmm. When Space 1999 needed an office on Earth, they didn't really want to go to the expense of building a new set for just one scene.
Fair enough.
So they thought, well, we'll just nick M's office. Yeah, exactly. Why not? The Man with the Golden Gun had finished shooting at Pinewood in August 1974.
Oh, yeah.
And Dragon's Domain was shot late in the January in August 75.
Okay. Late in January,
So-
so maybe 28, something like that?
Let's say between the 27th of January and the 9th of February, something like that,
Nice.
let's say. So M's set was just sat there doing nothing. So they redressed the set to make it a little bit more spacey.
Yeah.
But the giveaway is that the office door is the same plush red door that Sean Connery, George Lazenby and Roger Moore were all frequently seen entering through. So that's how you recognise it.
I see.
It's actually possible that Dragon's Domain is the final screen appearance of M's original office door, because when the set reappears in The Spy Who Loved Me,
Yeah.
it's got a completely different one instead.
Has it?